Importing reviews from Etsy to Shopify is incredibly easy and hassle-free. To begin, ensure that you have the Wise Reviews app installed in your Shopify store. The best part, it's free to install. Let's dive right in. Head over to the product page on Etsy and copy the URL. Next, open the Wise Reviews app and navigate to the Reviews page. Look for the Import Reviews button and give it a click. Select the product you wish to associate the reviews with and paste the URL you copied earlier. You'll see a few additional options before proceeding with the import. Once you're all set, simply hit the Import button and patiently wait for the process to complete. Voila! Now it's time to visit your Shopify product page and witness the magic of Wise Reviews. Isn't that amazing? You've successfully copied Etsy reviews into your Shopify store. Enjoy the benefits and happy selling!